Hey, good morning on this beautiful Saturday morning in Northern Illinois. This is Tim Border with J.H. Barkau & Sons in Cedarville. 815-718-9288 is my phone number. 815-718-9288. And this is the 2018 Jeep Compass Latitude. Super nice vehicle. My wife and I just purchased one for ourselves. This one has 44,000 miles on it, has the 2.4 liter four-cylinder, has the balance of the factory warranty. This thing is very nicely set up. It has the leather seats with the cloth inserts, automatic transmission, automatic start-stop, so anytime you pull up to a stop sign, the vehicle stops, shuts off. As soon as you release the brake, it starts again. Factory installed remote start, Selec-Terrain four-wheel drive, dual zone climate control, Uconnect with a touchscreen radio, cruise control, Bluetooth hands-free phone, which is through the Uconnect system, automatic headlamps with fog lights, heated seats, heated steering wheel, and this has the huge panoramic roof in it. My wife's Impala actually died last week, and so she was wanting to upgrade to an SUV. So we purchased a 2019 Jeep Compass. This also has rear heat and air, has rear auxiliary outputs, and as well as a 115 volt inverter. The really great thing about the Jeep Compass is the seats actually raise 6 inches up off the floor of the vehicle, so it's very comfortable to sit in the back as an adult. This one is diamond black crystal pearl coat. Super sharp backup camera. Very nicely equipped. Alloy wheels, new tires. It's also been through our service department. It's been fully inspected and serviced. The bumper-to-bumper warranty has expired, but it does carry the remainder of the factory powertrain warranty. And extended warranties are also available, which are always a great idea. This one had an MSRP when it was new of $31,120. It's now available today for the internet special price of $20,952. It's also a auto check one owner. Does have a clean auto check report. So I look forward to hearing back from you. I hope you're having a great Saturday. 815-718-9288. Again, my name is Tim Border, B-O-R-D-E-R, with J.H. Barkau & Sons in Cedarville. And this is our 2018 Jeep Compass Latitude. Talk to you soon.